Good morning. We just left the shelter, which was a almost 0.2 off the trail from back there. We're back on the AT. It's 9 a.m. and today is day 111, Tuesday, June 22nd. Happy birthday, Jackson. So we're back on the AT. Last night, yesterday, we hiked 21.6, I believe it was, to the Greenwall Shelter. Yesterday was an interesting day, to say the least. We passed a whole bunch of naked guys hiking southbound, one naked woman. Very interesting. Bunch of other day hikers and kids mixed in between them. So I guess it was a summer solstice or something. Who knows? Yeah, yesterday we passed a couple lakes, went up over a couple mountains, and got to the shelter and ate a ramen and 2 packets of oatmeal last night. Did my logs and routes, went to bed. The usual routine, nothing exciting. Had a father and son there at the shelter. Didn't even get their names. They packed up early this morning, 5:30, 6 o'clock, and got out of there. And Kobe and Rabbit were there. We've met them a couple times already. And they packed up and left around 8 o'clock. So today's going to be a big day. We're looking to go up over Killington Peak, 4,000 some foot, and also we coming down off of Killington Peak, we'll be over 1,700 miles today if we do the 23.6. Now weather wise, they're calling for some rain, showers this afternoon, 11 o'clock and on. So we're going to be playing some weather, whether we stop at another shelter, wait the weather out, or we just throw the coats on and hike to the shelter that we're going to be going to, which is the Churchill Scott shelter at 23.6. So yeah, we're going downhill. You see, Hot Hands is in front of me. White Blaze going southbound. Stick around, we're hiking on. Check this out, 9:30, quarter to 10. Stick around. We're hiking on. $12:30. So we're coming up to a view here. Also, we're going to change the plans. We're going to stop at this next, it's an inn, and resupply. We have no food. I have one north side. No snacks, no nothing else. So our plan is we have probably maybe another 1.5 miles or something. Nice airport. One o'clock. We're coming up to a bridge and some pretty fast moving water, but for now, man, I'm on some slick rocks and roots trying to get down there. No problem. There's hot hands. Nice. Crossing over the suspension bridge. Coming up, there's our shuttle driver. This is when we'll get back on. Alright. We started in Springer.